Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. I'm joined today with Asi, and we are going to be talking technicals in the marketplace. How you doing, Asi?
I'm good, mate. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very good, very well, very well. And I'm really keen for this particular video because the market has started moving, man. We've seen some really good performances. So without further ado, let's get into it, man. Let's see what's been happening.
All right. So as you know, man, we actually flipped that resistance. You can see that was our very serious resistance around between 40 to 42K. You can see was resistance here, was resistance here, and also back here. And we're now above this area. So now we're not in the death range. You know, we've been in the death range, you know, where everybody was scared, you know, the last couple of months. And now we're coming out of it with a higher high and a higher low. Okay, we're making higher lows and higher highs. We're actually building an uptrend on Bitcoin. Very bullish market, very bullish. And if you zoom in, yesterday I actually was expecting a further drop because it was looking like it's doing a rising wedge, Bitcoin. So it broke a little bit bearish. Also, if you look on the RSI and stuff, you will see they were doing like bearish divergence. But still, you can see we broke bearish and then boom, bulls came back and pump it. That shows the market is super bullish because even on a bearish pattern, the market is bouncing. So it shows the strength of the market and the bullishness of the crypto market at the moment, man. Very bullish.
It looks extremely bullish. And we obviously as well in the trading group, there was some information that you shared with us about Bitcoin's dominance as well, and that had quite a big move, didn't it?
Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is very important chart when you're watching altcoins, and we talked about it in the last episode that we got the weekly rejection here on the dominance, and that was actually the beginning of the altcoin rally we're seeing here now in the last 2 weeks. We're seeing a very big altcoin surge. This is the reason, okay? Bitcoin dominance getting rejected. She's in a downtrend, and altcoins can really explode, you know, can really moon. Now, we also broke the uptrend here on the dominance. You can see we had an uptrend here. We broke this uptrend now. And if we can take that level, okay, the 44%, this low here, if Bitcoin dominance can break below this level, it's going to nosedive. And you're going to see a very, very powerful altcoin run if we're going to lose that level on the Bitcoin dominance. So this is very bullish for altcoins if we're going to see that breakdown here.
Definitely. So what we could be looking at like an altcoin super cycle if that drops into that range.
I wouldn't say super, you know, we're not like perma bulls and stuff. But yeah, we trade the markets. And it's going to be very strong run. If Bitcoin dominance will drop now to 41, you know, altcoins will grow. You know, altcoins will grow double. Some will go triple. Some will go 50%. We're talking about in like couple of days to couple of weeks move. Okay, it's not happening in 1 hour. Obviously, to all our viewers, you know, things takes time. You know.
Of course, definitely. But it's the way that that's looking at the moment. If there is a continuation down, that's going to be really good for altcoins.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. But you wanna watch a potential reversal. If Bitcoin dominance start reversing, time to get out of altcoins and basically move into Bitcoin. But as long as it's in the red, altcoin season is on. Okay.
I'm with you. Perfect. And obviously as well, guys, if any of you've got questions about these charts, please leave them in the comments below. So if you don't understand what it is that we're showing you here with Bitcoin dominance or the Bitcoin chart and you've got some questions, just please leave them in the comments for us. So, Asi, what kind of performance have we been seeing then based on looking at that Bitcoin dominance chart? Obviously, with that drop in, the altcoins are starting to perform a bit better. Are there any in particular that you wanted to show?
Oh yeah, let's look on the market leaders now. Why I'm expecting a further drop and a bigger altcoin run? Because the large dogs are moving. Okay, you can see ADA. Obviously Ethereum is very important. Let's look on Ethereum BTC. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. is looking like it's consolidating here, and if it can make a higher high here, you can see it take that high. It looks like a bull flag. It looks like it's doing a bull flag here. If it can break higher, the dominance will drop, and you're gonna get a major altcoin pump with Ethereum BTC getting stronger. And if you look also on ADA, where is ADA? ADA had an amazing run. Amazing run. It's approaching its all-time high. You see our all-time high here is at $2.5, and we are already at $2. Okay, this is very, very bullish behavior for ADA, and ADA versus Bitcoin is having amazing breakout. You can see a huge breakout. This is the breakout. This is the truth. When people looking for news event, for some nonsense in Twitter, it's not important. The thing that moved the market is a breakout on the Bitcoin pairing. Okay, you can see it's always happening at the same time. When the coin is breaking out on the Bitcoin chart, you can see explosion on the dollar, and they will come out with some news, oh yeah, we're doing that, and blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. And it's exactly in the same moment it's breaking out on the Bitcoin chart. So what do you want to take? You want to take the Bitcoin chart breakout, or you want to take nonsense news events that don't affect the price action?
Yeah,
just a little rant, sorry.
No, it makes total sense what you're saying, man, because every single move that you see in this crypto market, of course we can't predict it and guarantee it, but what we can do is see clearly everything that happens in the past. So when you're looking at that chart, you're getting an idea of actually, based on the shape of this, the way that it's moving, the way the market is, how the dollar's performing, the dominance of Bitcoin, and everything else, all of them come into play. It gives you a really massive benefit of understanding how to trade this market.
Yeah, man. If you know how to trade and to read charts, it really gives you a better entry points, and it gives you the right timing. Because if let's say you buy ADA here or here, and you don't looking on the Bitcoin pair, you buying into a downtrend. You want to buy the inflection point when it's moving, when it's flipping from sideways or downtrend to an uptrend. This is where you want to enter. That's my job as a trader, to enter the trades when they flip bullish, because I don't like to hold coins when they're just flat or doing nothing. I like to hold coins when they go in explosive mode,
Of course, and that's what we love that you do with the cryptocurrency trading program that we offer. And people that are interested in that, guys, comment the word trader underneath this video if you want further information about the course and how you can work with Asi and take advantage of these amazing opportunities that are coming up in this marketplace right now. It's amazing. Loving crypto right now.
Yeah, man. Look at Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, man. Where do you think Dogecoin is going when you're looking at this chart?
Yeah, that looks good, man.
Mega bullish, and it's still down, man. It's still in the gutter. It can rally really hard, man. We already have a nice bag of Doge, and look on the dollar chart, Doge versus the dollar. Look what it's doing here. It's doing like a nice ascending triangle. It's building an uptrend here. It's here.
It's almost like a coil springing up, isn't it? About to explode.
Yeah, man. If it can break higher, it's amazing. It's very good. And you can also see it on the volume. Dogecoin is always pushing very high volume, number 6 by volume today. And Cardano, you can see Cardano taking over the market, 2.6 billion. And also XRP. XRP is also helping the altcoins pump because it's a large dogs. When the large dogs are moving, XRP, BNB, all these coins, together they have like 200 billion market cap. So when they moving stronger than Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance taking a drop, and then all altcoins can move with it because Bitcoin dominance is dropping,
Definitely. And this screen that you're on here, Asi, the one that you were just on, just explain what the benefit is of understanding this, because this is a key part of understanding trading as well.
This is actually not a lot of people using this website, Messari.io. This is a very good website because it shows you the real volume from only the legit exchanges. Okay, it's not listing here exchanges from China or Asia, that are like they saying they actually publishing fake volume. Okay, This website, they if you look on, for example, on ADA and you go to markets, compare this website to for example, to coin market cap on the markets on ADA. For example, if you go on markets on ADA here, you can see it's only taking the volume from Binance. You can see Coinbase, Huobi, Kraken, only good exchanges. Okay, no bullshit
reputable ones.
Only the best ones, man. This is only the best exchanges, the most reliable, the ones that are not pushing fake volume. Okay, if you go on, for example, on let me show you just for the viewers to see. Where is that one? Let's go on CoinMarketCap here, ADA. You remember which exchanges we're watching them, right? Have a look here. You go here.
Hundreds of them.
Still, you have them, but if you go down, you will see much more shitty exchanges. Like Zibi.
Yeah.
What the hell is Zibi, and what the hell is Etor? All these fake forex exchanges.
Yeah, I get you.
So these are I wouldn't trust this volume so much. And for example, if you look on the volume here on CoinMarketCap, look, 6 billion here. Okay, something is wrong. You can see 6 billion here, and on Masari, where is Masari? I closed it. Shit. On Masari, I'll show you Masari site. 1 second.
No problem.
On Masari, it was 2 billion. You see, this is 2 billion.
It's a big difference.
So, and there it's 6 billion. So if you cannot really follow the real volume in the other sites and watching an anomalies. On Masari, you can watch the volume every day, and you know that it's legit. Okay, it's not scammy. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's accurate information from trusted sources, trusted exchanges, and you want accurate information because that's key to helping you to trade correctly by knowing what kind of levels these cryptocurrency projects have got their, totals at. It's so important.
Yeah, man, this is a very good tool. This is my go-to website for when I'm watching volume, and obviously, on the charts, the breakouts of the volume on the chart. So you have a lot of data out there. You can millions of ways to really look on charts and look on projects and coins. Yeah.
Perfect. So anything else that's been, for this week in particular, is there any specific projects that have stood out for you that you've thought, wow, this looks fantastic, or has performed extremely well?
Oh yeah, man, we bought more AXS. I'll show you.
That's one of my favorites, man. I love Axie Infinity.
We made a sick entry here, you remember, at 44. Yeah. We bought it at 44. It hits pretty much most of our targets, and we now have a runner, and we actually bought more yesterday, around 70 or whatever. But the thing is, we bought here, and it immediately pumped 60%. That was an amazing trade. It's still an amazing trade. It's still an amazing trade. I think it can go higher. It can go higher. Maybe it's gonna consolidate here a little bit more. But man, this is very bullish. And also here, Axie, you can follow the volume here. You can see Axie Infinity is always very high volume, almost 1 billion, and it's a small cap. It's like 4 billion market cap.
Well, the adoption of the game itself, because it's like very similar to Pokemon, it's growing extremely quickly, and it's become like a hot topic in the crypto space. I mean, I've been going on to different news sites like Decrypt, and Axie Infinity is featured on there. People are talking a lot about this project.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's great. But when we get into this overvaluation, you remember it's coming from $2. If you don't know how to trade and you come here and you just buy Axie at these levels, you're playing with fire. Because
of course
you need to know how to trade. You need to know where to put your stops. If you are a busy guy, you need to have stops in hand, or you need to have some kind of a trading group that will tell you, "Hey, man, this is bearish. Get out." Because this is your money here. Okay, these coins can drop out of the blue. They can drop. Okay, we have to explain to the people that this is, it's not no guarantees, no guarantees in trading. At some point, the whale's gonna cash out and it's gonna collapse completely. All right, so we're talking about we were talking about Axie, and that is very, very important to know when to get out of trade and when to really be more, play more defense. Okay, if you are new to crypto and you don't know how charts work and how coins are moving, and you don't understand about market cycles, it's dangerous. Okay, you really need to take these lessons and start educating yourself about how markets move, when to cash out, when to feel a little bit, when to play safe, when to use stop losses to protect yourself from future possible drops in the price. Because markets, crypto markets, especially altcoins, are very volatile, and they can drop at any moment. And it's very important for you to be in a kind of a trading group at the beginning of your journey, just to pick up the tools and learn how to trade and how to really allocate funds into crypto in the right way, and not blowing off your account by making a newbie mistake of just holding crypto, and then you're gonna see it crashing, and then you're gonna watch a YouTuber and saying will say that the world is ending. You're going to cash out all your bags in a massive loss, and you're gonna rage crypto. You're gonna rage quit crypto. So no, you don't want that to happen. So if you really want to learn how to trade crypto and play it on the right way, check out our trading group. Okay, check out the trading group. We have market updates regularly. We have trade signals on a daily basis now because it's an altcoin season. And anything you need, we have very good support team. Anything you need, any question you have, we're always here to answer, to help. And also, you have a trading course that teaching you everything we know in a very short and to the point way. All right. So if you're interested, check it out. It's very, very, very valuable.
Definitely, completely agree with that, Asi. And all you've got to do, guys, if you are interested, is just comment the word trader. We'll send you the information. There'd also be a link underneath there that you can click onto if you want to join. The other thing to mention as well is, guys, if you've got any questions at all, and if there's anything that you want to know, just please leave them in the comments for us. We're always happy to get back to you. Asi, appreciate everything as per usual. You are a master at this stuff, mate, and look forward to catching up with all of you guys in the next one. Take care.